pretty colored calico scallop. Really nice pattern. Juvenile fighting conch. 2 actually. And a bunch of seaweed. I wonder what's hiding under there.
Oh, another one.
This really cool scallop. And this giant, humongous shark eye moon snail. So big. It's literally huge. And I think over here I saw the top of a true tulip. That was such a nice color, but not whole. Okay guys, back from the beach. The shelling in Manatee County has been insane the last 3 days. Here's the findings. And anyone who shells knows one of the best parts is organizing your shells after you get them cleaned up. So what's becoming one of my new obsessions is these fave drills. They come in so many colors and all their variations are perfect. As you can see, we found a little coffee bean, some super cute little periwinkles, some lentil traps, baby ears, Florida cones. I love this red, fire red one. I never have seen one in that color. Top snails, some beautiful true tulips, keyhole limpets. You guys will have to tell me what this is because it literally looks like a freak of nature olive or something. I need to clean this one a little more, but I didn't know what it was. We got some crowns, some coffee melampus, some tinted cantharus, this fossilized shell, which I thought was super cool. It might be like a fossilized type of murex. Maybe even an apple murex, but it just has interesting shapes. These beautiful rib drills. This sundial, even though it's fossilized, is super rare in our area. Some rock snails, paper figs, a piece of a Genonia. I love this orange horse conch with these coral on the top. So pretty and unique. Giant lace murex, some pear whelks, some gaudy nauticas, but not in the best condition. So, some horse conch, some Florida fighting conch, some periwinkles, and similar findings here, except for this one, but I still wasn't sure what that is. I thought maybe like a juvenile hawkswing or something. I found one of these once before, but they're not very common in this area either.